I'm going to cover 3 spreadsheet processes. Number 1, sorting data. Number 2, deleting any unwanted data. Number 3, data cleansing. Okay, this is an example of a spreadsheet. I've opened it in Microsoft Excel, and it's fitness test data for the coordination test. And actually, if you look at the scroll bar on the right hand side, it's got lots and lots and lots of different students, all from different ICT classes. Well, for this example, I just want to look at the data for students in 7B1. So I've got lots of 7B1 members here, but lots of other students from other classes. So first of all, I'm going to sort the data. First step is to select all of the data on the sheet. And to do that, I'm going to click on the button to the left of the first column, to the left of the letter A, and above the first row, above the number 1. This corner button here. And you'll notice that all of the data gets highlighted, and the only one that's a slightly different colour is the top corner, because that was the first cell to get picked up. To sort the data, go to the Data ribbon or menu, and click on the Sort button. And then you can choose what to sort your data by. And in this case, I'm going to sort by ICT class, and I'm going to sort in the order from A to Z. Press OK. And that means that the 7A1 students appear at the top, and if I scroll right to the bottom, students in 7C3 appear at the bottom. So now I can delete the unwanted data. I only want the data for 7B1 in this case. So to delete data, I need to highlight an entire row, and I can do that by clicking on the number next to a student, and then right click and choose delete. And I can do that for as many students as I want, and you'll notice there's a small animation as all of the data below gets lifted up. Well, this could take a long time, so I can actually hold my mouse down on a number and drag down until I get to the first student of 7B1, and then right click on any of those numbers and choose that delete option. Okay, so now I've got 7B1, but I've also got 7B2, and I don't need those. So I'll click on the first member of 7B2, drag down using the numbers that indicate the row. And when I get to the bottom of the data, not the bottom of the whole sheet, I can right click and choose delete again. And if I scroll back to the top, should have a nice set of data just for students in class 7B1. So the last step is to cleanse the data, and really that's just a process of making sure it's all similar. And you can notice here that different students have entered their data in different ways, which is perfectly fine, but so that the computer can deal with things as numbers rather than words, I'm going to remove the word catches when people have typed it in. I'm going to do this the slow way by double clicking on a cell and using the delete key. There are slightly quicker ways, but because there aren't many mistakes to tidy up or to cleanse, I'm going to do it with the keyboard and the mouse. Double click, backspace, enter. Double click, backspace a few times, and enter. And it's that simple.